Median. All right, this is chapter 12, lesson 5. Median is the middle value in an ordered set of data. Okay, so the key word here is ordered. So it's going to be the middle value in an ordered set of data. We're on page 352, 353. I'm just going to work the examples because there are not many problems. So I'll do the 2 examples and then you will be doing 1 through 5 on page 353. So the middle value in an ordered set of data. So if you have an odd set of data, there's only going to be one number in the middle. If you have an even set of data, there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. So when you have 2 numbers in the middle, you're going to have to do a couple extra steps to find your median. You'll be adding them together and then dividing by 2 so that you can get the median. So I'm going to do one of each. I'm going to do one odd set and an even set so that you can see what you need to do. So when you do your problems on page 353, 1 through 3 is a chart. So be careful to read exactly what they tell you to do because you have 2 different time zones or time periods for the movies. So pay close attention when you read. And then 4 and 5 are word problems. So you know that with word problems you need to be extra careful. So first thing to do is find out what is it they want to know and then go back and find the numbers that you need to answer that question. So for the first example, they give us the numbers 163, 179, 140, 196, 158. So we cannot just look and find the middle number and say that's it. It has to be ordered. I label mine or order mine least to greatest. Even if you do it greatest to least, it's still going to be the same thing. So least to greatest, I think, comes more natural than going larger down to smaller. So I took these same numbers and I put them in order. 140, 158, 163, 179, 196. So now they are ordered. So I go through and I'm going to find my middle number. So I can strike these 2 on the end, these 2 on the end, and here is my middle value in an ordered set of data. It's just that easy. So like I said, the main challenge is going to be because the information they give you, especially for 1 through 3, is in a chart. So that means you got to pay close attention on how to read a chart. And then the word problems. All right. Next is example 2. With this one, we have, that's not part of the problem. Let me mark that out there. So here we have 75, 71, 85, 67, 63, and 88. They are not ordered. So I go back, I put them in order, 63, 67, 71, 75, 85, and 88. One way to check and be sure you got everything listed is count and see how many you have and make sure you got the same amount down here. That way you make sure you're not leaving something out. So I can cancel the ends. I can cancel the next set. Here, if I cancel this set, I don't have anything left, so I can't do that. So you'll notice there are 2 numbers in the middle. So I knew this was going to be 2 numbers in the middle because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers here. That's an even set. So when you have an even set, there's going to be 2 numbers in the middle. You're going to add them together and divide them by 2. That will give you your median. So 71 plus 75, we get 146, and then divide by 2 because that's how many there is. 2 are going to 14 7 times. 2 are going to 6 3 times. So the mean for this set of data is 73. So if you have an even set, take the two in the middle after you put them in order, add them together, and then divide by 2. If it's an odd set, just put them in order, and then you'll cancel one on each side until you get till you just have one number left over in the middle. Be sure to be careful to read those charts and the question that they're asking you, because they ask you specifically about certain times. And then of course word problems, to be extra careful when you read those.